Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 374, Refine Agent Data. In our last tip, we looked at how to easily create a Copilot Studio agent for your Power Pages site users. In this tip, we'll look at how to refine the data from Dataverse that is available to that agent. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Within the Power Pages Design Studio, in the Setup workspace, go to the Agents area under AI Assistance. If you've enabled the Site Agent, the Make Changes button in the Refine Your Data section should be available. This button opens a wizard where you first select which tables should be available. By default, Knowledge Article and Knowledge Article Attachment are selected. It is important to note that table permissions are enforced by the agent, so it will only provide information based on the data the user has access to. Next, for each selected table, first select a page where the agent will direct a user to if they want more details about a specific row in that table. That page needs to use ID as the query string parameter to load a particular row. Finally, choose the columns that the agent will have access to and confirm your choices on the last screen. Now our agent can provide assistance using the data from Dataverse we've selected. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 374 on Refine Agent Data useful.